In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change password in MetaTrader 5. If you need to update your login credentials in MT5, this process is straightforward once you know where to look. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can change either your main trading password or, if needed, your investor password for read-only access. To begin, open MetaTrader 5 and log into your account. Make sure you're signed in properly before trying to change anything, because the platform needs to recognize your active account in order to access the password settings. Once you're inside MT5, move to the top menu and click on Tools. From the drop-down menu, select Options. This opens the main settings window where several account and platform preferences can be managed. In the Options window, go to the Server tab. This is where account connection settings are stored. On that tab, look for the Change button and click it. That will open the password change dialog. Next, enter your current master password. This is an important security check that confirms you're authorized to make changes to the account. Be careful when typing it and make sure there are no typing errors since passwords are case sensitive. After that, choose the type of password change you want to make. If you want to update the main password used to access and trade on the account, select Change Master Password. This is the option most people will use when they want to improve security or replace an old password. You may also see the option to change the investor password instead. This is useful if you want to create or update a read-only password. An investor password allows someone to view the account activity without being able to place trades or make changes. That can be helpful for monitoring or sharing limited access safely. Once you've selected the correct option, type your new password and then confirm it by entering it again in the confirmation field. Take a moment to make sure both entries match exactly. If they don't, MT5 won't accept the change. When everything looks correct, click OK to save the new password. At that point, your password update should be complete. As a final tip, store your new password somewhere secure and private so you don't lose access later. Also, make sure you remember whether you changed the master password or the investor password, since they serve different purposes, and that's how to change your password in MetaTrader 5.